educational learning, but we must be working hand in hand, and we must be one of the makatabang para sa implementation. As the school is also having its first graduation for the BPT Ed program, I could see that someday, maskin sa kanang paghinay-hinay nga pagsugod, we could share to the community that if there is a way that we could help from our own, yung sila bayanihan, we should do so. Even if it's not nga para lang sa itong kaugalingon, kundi para usab sa atong isig katao. This short program is one way of saying thank you sa ato ang Laparay National High School family nga gi-accommodate ang ato practicomers, and at the same time assuring to them that we will be a helping hand in the future opportunities and activities that we might be undertaken jointly, because I do believe that someday, somehow, gumikan kay ato nakitaan kung unsa kabatan-on po ng Laparay National High School, murag mga pas-apas po sa PTC. So, ingon ana ang pamaagi, and at the same time, with the implementation of the K-12 program, nga dili namang gina nato mapugnan because it's already a law, we help